That's not a Jeep thing. Crack in the windshield? That's a Jeep thing. Well, the main reason you get a Jeep is so that you can drive around topless. Dude, he didn't even wave. He's got a Jeep Wrangler, he doesn't even wave. I don't get it. But we're going to the mall. We have to go to the mall. We have a Jeep. It's where we go. So you want to buy a Jeep? You have to remember one thing. Just empty every pocket. It's a Jeep thing. It gets pretty good fuel mileage. I average right around 10 miles to the gallon. I mean, that's double digits. That's pretty good. Of course I go off-roading. Let's throw her in 4 low and let her go. You have to watch the tire when you're off-roading. Ready? There we go. Little driver. Now that is off-roading. It's a Jeep thing. In the Jeep, the top down on my Jeep. There will be another Jeep Wrangler in the mall parking lot that we can park next to for sure. Oh, I see one. What did I tell you? What did I tell you, huh? I knew we would find one. Yeah. Oh, we gotta go park next to him. Oh, I see another one. That's 2 in like one spot. If you get a Jeep and you see another Jeep, it is mandatory to park next to him. It's our little TJ little brother. There we go. Oh, that's nice. It's got the top off and everything. What's up, guy? 90% chance of rain. That's not gonna stop me from taking the top off. Oh, gotta turn my lights on so people can see me. There's another Jeep at the mall. Jeep, Jeep, beep, beep. I mean, yeah, it's got some body damage, but hey, chicks dig body damage. First, we have to throw her in 4 low and let her go. It's trail rated.
I got the woofers in my Jeep. Check it out, baby. Check it out.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. It takes a little bit to get up to speed, but the wind is against our back, so we got a little help. Come on, come on. Hopefully you don't get death wobble. Oh boy, oh boy. Whoa, whoa. There's a state trooper. He's probably gonna think I'm drunk. Get the top down and we'll get there in my Jeep, in my Jeep. Road closed? That ain't gonna stop me. I got a Jeep. It's a Jeep thing. Still can't believe that guy didn't wave at me. Huh? It's really not that bad. I mean, it's a little windy, but it's not that bad. There's a Jeep. Oh. Stock. All right, guys, well, let us know if there's anything that you guys say that we might have missed in the video. Also, don't forget to check out our website, trailbeltoffroad.com. And we still have our giveaway going on, our Icon suspension giveaway, valued up to $3,000 for a suspension kit, trailbeltoffroad.com/giveaway. Other than that, we appreciate all of you for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I'm Josh from Trail Belt, and we'll see you guys out on the trails.